Hi and welcome to a new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to play a really easy song. It's going to be a really short tutorial. I'm talking about the intro of the song Over Now by Post Malone. It's a really easy melody to play where we keep repeating the same notes all the time, so we don't have to move the left hand fast. And it's in standard tuning, so just take your guitar and let's begin. Okay, so this is going to be a really short tutorial and really easy. We're going to use only the 4th string, and we start placing the index finger on the 2nd fret. And we play that tone 8 times. That's the first measure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? For me, it's much easier to count every beat instead of counting all the tones. So I count like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, but you choose how it works better for you. But every time that we play that tone, we're going to lift the finger to get a rest between them. Okay, you don't need to take the finger away from the string, just stop pushing in a way that you get that rest. Okay, and when we have played that 8 times, we hold the finger down and we move it to the 5th fret. It's important that we hear that slide. Okay, and then when we arrive to the 5th fret, we're going to play that 6 times, so 3 beats, 1, 2, 3, and then we play with the ring finger the 7th fret 2 times. And that's the first and second measure. I'm going to show you one time. Okay, we can try to play it together. Measures 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, and... One more time. 1, 2, 3, and... Okay, and then when we change to the 3rd measure, we are going to play another slide, but we're going to change to the index finger on the 4th fret. So we slide with ring finger, but we change to the index finger. And we play that note 7 times. And then with the middle finger we play the 5th fret. Okay, you get it? And then we come back to the 2nd fret. That's the measure 1, 2, 3 and the first note of the 4th measure. I'm going to play it one time and then we try together. Okay, so now let's try together. 1, 2, 3, and... Let's try one more time. 1, 2, 3, and... Okay, when we arrive to that 4th measure, we are going to play that tone 7 times. And then we play the 4th string open to play back again that 2nd fret when we start the 5th fret, the 5th measure. Okay, so now we have the measure 1, 2, 3, 4 and the first tone of the 5th measure. Let's try to play that together. 1, 2, 3, and... Then from here, it's almost like playing the same thing again, but when we come to the seventh measure, when we play that on the third measure, we played the fourth fret 7 times. This time it's only 6 times. That's the only difference. The third measure is like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the seventh measure is like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, it's not a huge difference, but they play like this. Then when we arrive to the last measure, the 8th measure, they filter the guitar and do like a fade out, so it's really difficult to hear what they do, but I have the feeling that they just keep playing the 2nd fret. They don't play the 4th string open there. But it's a really little difference, so you choose how you want to play it. So now let's try to put everything together from the beginning. Just pay attention to the measures 3 and the measure 7, where we have a little bit difference there. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, and... Okay, let's try one more time. 1, 2, 3, and... And that was the intro of Over Now by Post Malone. If you wanna get more videos like this one, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. You can also follow me on Facebook, Twitter or Instagram, or visit my website easyguitartube.com, where you're going to find all my videos. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next one.